place is absolutely beautiful. Unfortunately, they have actually closed off the main route that we were planning on going down on. Arvin's decided that this, between these two logs and then through all of that and then up to that hill is doable. We are quote f***ed if this doesn't work. So yeah, here we go. Alright, good, good. I can't see that side. Yep, that's fine, you're good here. Let's try and make sure we don't get bit by a snake. That would be great.
I came too fast and I stood in there.
Oh, is that you?
Yeah.
And he's just left me behind, just like that. What a dig.